Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Baganda Gredi. As a physics teacher, today I will take the class of 12. Topic is electrostatic potential or proelectric potential. Now, first of all, we have to understand what is the sense, what is the meaning of the electrostatic potential. Now, we consider the source charge Q and any state charge when placed at the point, let it be the A point that has the energy UA, and the charge plus Q at the point B, it has the energy UE. Now suppose the charge Q, test charge Q, or vanishingly small test charge Q when moved from point B to the point A, on that case there is the work done. Work done to move the point test charge from B to A. Now we know that the negative of the line integral of electric field to the work done to move a charge from B to is equal to the work done to move a charge from B to A. That is work done AB by Q naught is equal to negative of the line integral of electric field. One thing we must know that whenever the charge is placed at the point P, there is the electrostatic force experienced by the charge, when that is equal to F is equal to Q naught E. To move the charge from B to A, on that case the work done against the electrostatic force, and that force is known as the applied force, which is negative of the electrostatic force, that is the Fa is equal applied force is equal to minus Q naught E. Now let us understand and let us prove one more thing, that is the line integral of electric field is equal to work done per unit test charge. So for that we have just considered the test charge Q naught can be moved from point P to Q. Here is the point P and here is the point Q, which is the very small difference between the P and Q, and of the very small displacement of the dl, it is infinitesimally small displacement from P to Q, and that is the dl. Now the work for the small displacement where the applied force is almost constant at the P or the Q, that is why it is considered the infinitesimally small displacement. So on that case, whenever we consider the small work done from P to Q, on that case it is given as dW is equal to applied force into displacement dl. Now the applied force what we have written here, that is equal to minus Q naught E, where F applied force is equal to minus Q naught E into dl. Now the integrating the equation number 2 with proper limit. To limit is what? That is from the B to A for net work done per unit test charge from moving from B to A. Now on that case work from B to A is equal to integrating the small work done dW to B to A. Now that is equal to negative of the line integral of electric field with the Q naught product with the Q naught from the limit of B to A. So now when we divide the work with the Q naught, on that case it is the negative of the electric field. Negative of the linear integration of the electric field, or we can say that it is equal to the equation number 1. So we first of all that line integral of electric field, negative of the line integral of electric field is the work done per unit test charge, and that is the equation number 1. Now we have to know that work from A to B is only due to the difference in the energy, and that difference in the energy here I have written in the figure, that at the point B the test charge Q naught has the energy UB and the test charge has the energy UA at the point A. So on that way the difference of the work done from B to E is due to the difference in the energy, that is UA minus UB. Now equating the equation number 3 and 4, we have that the equation 3 is here, and 4 that is the difference of the energy is equivalent to the work done. Now equating both 3 and 4, we get that the work for B to A is equal to difference in the energy, that is the minus into Q naught minus Q naught of line integral of electric field. Now Q naught, when divide this equation number 5 with the Q naught, we get that the line integral, negative of the line integral of the electric field is equal to the work AB to Q naught, which is the difference of energy to the test charge Q naught. Now we just split that the differences, that the Q naught UA by Q naught minus UB by Q naught, that is the different energy of the test charge at the A, energy minus energy of the test charge at the B. We know that that is the energy per unit test charge is the electric potential. Again, the energy per unit test charge is the electric potential, or we can say that the electric potential may be defined as the energy per unit test charge. Now, for that, we replace the UA by Q naught as the potential at the A, and here UB by the A is as a VB. So the work from B to A to the test charge is equal to VA minus VB. Now we come to the conclusion that the definition of the electrostatic potential, that is the amount of work done from B to A, that is difference of the electrostatic potential, or electrostatic potential difference may be defined as the amount of work done from per unit test charge moving from B to A without acceleration in electrostatic force in a field, that is called the electrostatic potential. Now I am going to write the definition of the electrostatic potential here. The potential difference. Now electrostatic potential difference may be defined as the amount of work done per unit positive discharge in moving from one point to the another, from one point to the other, without acceleration in and or against the electrostatic force, acceleration against the electrostatic force in a field. Now, it is the potential difference between the potential difference or electrostatic potential or electric potential difference. So we come to the conclusion, that is VA minus VB is equal to work from B to A to the test charge Q naught. Now let's suppose the test charge is at the infinity. So on that case, the potential to that point at the infinity becomes the V infinity, and the work, the charge particle, the test charge, which move from the infinity to the point, that point against the electrostatic force without any acceleration is the in an electric field, that is called the electrostatic potential at a point. Now electrostatic potential at the point may be defined as the amount of may be defined as the amount of work done per unit positive discharge in moving from one point, from infinity to the point, from infinity to the point without acceleration against the electrostatic field force in a field, electric field. That is, now here the potential A minus potential to the infinity is equal to work from infinity to A to the discharge Q naught. So these two are the definition of the potential, electrostatic potential. Difference, that is the VA minus VB is equal to work from B to A per unit discharge, and here it is the electrostatic potential at a point is the VA minus V of at the infinity is equal to work from infinity to a point per unit discharge. Now we will see the expression for the electrostatic potential. Next, we see the expression for the electrostatic potential. Expression for the electrostatic potential difference. Here we will see the position of the point B, that is the RB, point P is the R, and small reduced in the position, that is the R minus dr up to the Q, and add up to the A, that is the RA position. Now the discharge may be moved, the discharge may be moved from P to Q against the force, electrostatic force, that is applied force, or with the applied force, that is FA is equal to minus Q naught E. Now the small work done, from P to Q is given as dW is equal to applied force to the displacement dl. We write this one as the minus Q E vector dot dl vector. Again, that we have the dW is equal to minus Q naught E dl and cos of the 180 degree. Since cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So on that case, work dW is equal to Q E dl. As we know that dl is the small reduced in the position of the R, that is minus of the dr, and the electric field E is represented as 1 by 4 pi or expressed as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught the source charge q to the position of the p up to p is equal to r square. Now these two things should be placed in the above relation. That relation be the one. So on that case, dw becomes that is q naught minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square into dr. Now we integrate the equation, this equation number 2, we integrate the equation 2 with limit for net work done from A to B, for net work done from A to B, or we can say that from B to A, not A to B, that is B to A. So net work done, that is work from B to A, that equal to integration from B to A of the small work done dw is equal to minus q naught, and here that is the kq integration to that of the r minus 2 dr, and we have the position of all the places. For that from B to A, it has the position of RB to that of the RA. Now work AB to A is equal to this much, or we can write here the work per unit test charge B to A per unit test charge q naught is equal to minus, and now integrate this one, that kq, that is the r minus 1 to the minus 1 from RB to RA. So on that case, we will negative is here, that become the positive. So work from B to A to that of the q naught is equal to kq, and here it is the 1 by R A minus 1 by RB. Now this is the, as we know that this one is the equation number 3. Now work per unit discharge is the potential difference, and that is given here in the form of A or X equation. So that X equation, work from B to A per unit discharge is equal to potential difference from B minus VA. Now equating equation number X and the equation 3rd. Now equating